Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna be making a video about my generator on my food truck. I'm just gonna be showing you different little specs that I have on it. I do have it caged in, and just how to run your generator, what gas to put in it, and just different basic things about a generator on a food truck. So here, I apologize about the noise. There's a lot of semi trucks behind me on a major highway. But anyways, I do have my generator caged in, and the builders who built my food truck, they welded this whole thing. So this whole thing is custom. You can't just buy it online or anything like that. You have to go to a welder or a food truck builder company to get these things built, right? So these top, I do have locks for each little component here. This top goes up, and you'll see the top of the generator, and then you put your gas in here, you have your meter here, and then different warning and directions for the generator. I have a Honda 7000. This is a quiet generator, and it works really well. I had it over for about 2 years now. You'll see that all of this is closed, so this is open. You want to have one part that's open so the exhaust can come out, and so you won't get like carbon buildup and stuff like that. So you'll leave one space open where the vents are, and then the other spaces can be closed. For gas, I put non-ethanol gas in my generator. We have an oil company in the city that I live. I don't go to a regular gas station because we don't have Wawa where I live. So I live in the country, so we do have oil companies here though, that I go directly to the company to get my gas, my non-ethanol gas. It runs better for small engines. Like I said, the non-ethanol gas runs better for small engines. When I first got this food truck, I used to put regular gas in it, but after a year it started pumping like it was going to go out. I changed the spark plugs, but it still did the same thing. And so I was like, what in the world is going on? So I took it to a mechanic, and the mechanic says you have to put non-ethanol gas in it, like it's the lawnmower or something like that, because it's made for small engines. And after I put the non-ethanol gas in it, I didn't have any more problems. It runs really, really well. So, and I changed my oil after 150 hours, or maybe 200 hours. So I keep the oil changed on it. The oil that I use is a 10W30. I think that's the oil for small engines, a 10W30. Here I have a power cord for it. And then it has this small hole that you can put your power cord through. Like if it rains, like today in Florida, it's gonna rain. So I put this power cord through here, so then I can close this and not too much water can get on my generator. I mean, the generator is powerful for, it can rain on it. Yeah, like I said, I had to pause the video for the trucks, but the rain can get on the generator. It's not going to do anything, but I just like to have that closed. And then you have your little specs here. It is Bluetooth. So yeah, I don't use every little thing. I don't use the Bluetooth on it or anything like that, but that's what I have on it. And then you just turn this here, and then press that start engine, and then it'll come on. So yeah, that's a basic just info about a generator on the food truck. Like I said, it'll run me like 8 to 10 hours with a full freezer, refrigerator, all my electric on, and different things like that. So it runs really good. I really like Honda. It's easy to fix. You can take it to any mechanic, they can fix it for you. To change the oil, I just take this cage out, undo the little stuff. I don't have the key right now on me, but I just undo this, and my mechanic changes the oil. I do have a electric jack. I can do another video about that and how to hitch and unhitch and how this whole thing works. It's so super easy to install and work, so I can do another video about that. But if you want that video, let me know in the comments or like it. I can show you guys how to work that electric jack, because it will save your back. It will save your back. I ended up in the hospital with back pain, so you don't want that. But yeah, that's just a basic a basic info about the generator. You guys see I'm sweating like a rotisserie chicken. It is like 100 degrees out here in Florida. It is so super hot. So I'm just gonna get started for lunch and just open for a few hours because it's just too hot in Florida. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.